Now, your Storm Tracker team forecast with Chief Meteorologist Sam Parrish.
Welcome back, everyone. Another warm afternoon across the capital region with lots of sunshine and warm temperatures in the 80s right now on our tower cam up to the north. You can see just a few cumulus clouds out there. Right now we're sitting at 84 degrees, but notice the dew point being at 62 makes it feel like it's 84 degrees, just where it's supposed to be. South-southwest winds at 17 miles per hour. Right now we're looking at readings pretty much in the 70s and 80s across the area. But the good news is the dew points are low, and so that makes it feel a lot more comfortable out there. Lower 60s up to the north, mid 60s down to the south. So the dew points are starting to increase just a little bit. And tomorrow, with the winds out of the south at around 15 to 20 miles per hour, we're going to see those dew points start to increase a little bit, especially as we go into Saturday with breezy conditions around 25 miles per hour in the afternoon. Also, those breezes will help mix up the pollen a little bit, so we'll stay in the medium category with most of that being oak, grass, and bayberry pollen. The upper trough right now off to the west is digging in, and as it digs in over the weekend, that's going to amplify the ridge over us, giving us some pretty nice warm weather. And then as we go into the late weekend and early part of next week, notice what happens with this trough over New Mexico. As it ejects out into the plains on Sunday, we're looking at a severe weather threat across Missouri and Arkansas, maybe a tornado outbreak up for those folks. So if you're traveling that way, just be aware of that. We're going to see some storms in Louisiana too on the western side of the state Sunday night. So I think most of the area is going to be okay for your Sunday afternoon activities. And then this system will move out of here, and then we go into a more zonal pattern with southwesterly flow aloft, and that's more of a wet direction across our area. Here's the severe risk on Sunday, and it does get very close to us, but most of the severe storms are probably going to stay up to the north and to the west. Here's a look at your Good Friday forecast. We're looking at nice conditions tomorrow, 87, 85 on Saturday, Easter 86, and then more storms in the early part of next week. Let's go back to the news desk with Christina and Andrew and more of today's news.